and the ones that had Hindu majority went to India. Now Kashmir had 80% Muslim majority. And unfortunately, through various sad events, which should not have happened, because this should have been settled at the time of partition, Kashmir became part of India. There was a fight between India and Pakistan. There was a ceasefire line. And then the United Nations Security Council passed a resolution that there should be a referendum, a plebiscite in Kashmir, and the people of Kashmir should decide whether they want to go to India or to Pakistan. Now that plebiscite never took place. And so we fought 3 wars almost on Kashmir. And the last one was almost 50 years ago. And since then, Kashmir has been this disputed territory in a limbo. In the last 30 years, a movement started for independence in Kashmir. The elections in Kashmir were rigged by the Indian central government in 1989. After that, a movement started against wanting independence. And that movement steadily started going. The more India used force, today India has almost 900,000 security personnel in Kashmir. So the more force they use, the stronger the desire for people for freedom. So basically, it's people of Kashmir wanting freedom, a right. The right for self-determination was given to them by the United Nations Security Council. And unfortunately,